Hello viewers. A lot of users have missed the chance of buying Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus at the start of the quote sale on Flipkart.com. On 9th of July, the price came down to 19,000 after all the discounts and offers. But after few hours, the price of this tablet increased and it was available at a price point of 24,000 rupees. Currently, the quote sale is running on Flipkart, but the offer has gone, so a lot of users want to know whether they should buy Tab S9 FE Plus at 30k price point. My answer is no, because you will get to buy this tablet well under 25,000 rupees either in Flipkart or in Samsung shop. Some users have raised concerns over Chinese made tablets and they are asking about the quality of those tablets being sold on Flipkart. So if you are skeptical of buying at Flipkart, I would suggest you to buy this tablet from Samsung's own official shop, Samsung Shop. In this app, you can get coupons, referral codes, discounts on cards and Samsung Club member point. So if you put together all these offers, you will get a great offer on tablets and smartphones on Samsung Shop app. Now some users are commenting that the tablet is not good enough in comparison to iPad 10th generation, MI Pad 6 and OnePlus Pad. Yes, if you look at the hardware level, definitely those tablets are good enough. But one thing you must consider that Samsung is a reputed brand and you will get regular updates on this tablet, so this makes this tablet future-proof. Also, the software of Samsung One UI is top-notch. Sometimes you may feel jitteriness and lagginess, but overall it's a good tablet to buy. It has a very good display and also the battery life of this smart tablet is great, and you will get a Spen in the box, which makes it a great deal. So if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, I would suggest you to wait for few days when you can get offers on Independence Day sale or in Big Billion Day sale. Independence Day sale on Flipkart will begin in the month of August, when you can buy this tablet at an enticing price under rupees 25,000 rupees using credit cards. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. I will let you know about the latest offers and deals on smartphones and tablets. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.